Good afternoon, student. As you know that your exercise 1A is over, and whatever your doubt till now you had no comment. So I think you are clear everything exercise 1A. Now we will read about your multiplication of integers. Let us take an example. 6 into minus 5. 6 is a positive integer and minus 5 is a negative integer. So your result, you just multiplied 6 into 5 is 30. One number is positive, another number is negative. So your result will be in negative. Another example, let's see. 8 into 9. Both the number in positive. First you see both the number in positive. So 8 into 9, 72. Direct you will write 72. And next, your result, another example, minus 8 into minus 4. So your result will be 32. As both the number are in negative, so the result will be in positive. Minus into minus, result will be in positive. Let's see, student, some properties of multiplication. What is the property? Now first property is closure property. Closure property is that same property. The product of two integer is a integer. If 2 and 3 are two integers, then 2 into 3 equal to 6. So the product also a integer. Next, here commutative law of multiplication. What is commutative law of multiplication? Now 2 into 3 equal to 6 and 3 into 2 equal to 6. Mean we can change the position of the number, then the result will be the same. Let's see this third property. The third property is associative property. What is associative property, student? Now if A, B, C are three integers, then A into bracket B into C equal to A into B bracket into C. We can group them in any order. Let us take an example. 1 minus 2 and minus 3. 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 whole bracket equal to 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. So 1 into 6 equal to 6. And again what I will doing? Now 1 into minus 2 inside bracket and minus 3 outside the bracket. 1 into minus 2 and outside minus 3. Result also 6. So multiplication of integers are associative.
Start.
And the fourth property is distributive. Distributive you already read. Distributive you know that distributive means distribution. A into whole bracket B plus C, then A is operated upon B plus B, A is operated upon C. A into B plus A into C. Let us take example 5 into whole bracket minus 8 plus 2. Then 5 will be multiplied with this, and in the middle a plus sign will be there, and again 5 will be multiplied with this. So 5 into 8 minus 8 equal to minus 40 plus 5 into 2 equal to 10. So minus 40 plus 10. I already told you, if two numbers are, one is negative and another one is positive, then find out the larger number, then just minus from the larger number to smaller number. What is the result? Just put the sign of the larger number. If the larger number sign is negative, so your result will be in negative. Now let us see, student, your property number 5. Property number 5 is existence of multiplicative identity. What is multiplicative identity? Now student, any number, any integer multiplied by 1 and 1 into any integer equal to that same integer. A into 1 or 1 into A equal to that number A. Then existence of sixth property, existence of multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Now any integer, its reciprocal is its multiplicative inverse. Suppose 6 is an integer, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 6, and minus 5 is an integer, then its multiplicative integer inverse is minus 1 by 5. The last property is the property of 0. What is, student, property of 0? Now any integer is multiplied with 0, the result is 0, and 0 into any integer equal to that 0. Let's solve one question. Simplify. What is simplify? Now 16 into minus 9 plus minus 8 into minus 9. Then first beta you have to look here. Now one number is positive, another number is negative. You have to multiply them. Your result will be 144. As one number positive, another number is negative, and they are multiplied. So positive into negative is negative. Minus 144 you got. And here two numbers. Both the numbers are in same sign. So what will be your result? The result will be in positive. So 8 into 9, 72. Result will be plus. And as there is between plus sign or addition sign, so we have to give a plus sign. And I told you again, you notice here one number is negative and another number is positive, and in between them a plus sign is there. So what you have to do, you just minus from the larger number to smaller number, then what will be your result? 72, and just put the sign of the larger number, minus 72 your answer. So in this way you can solve the problem. Now see student, some basic rules, some basic conceptual idea you have to take, you have to know, then you have to solve the multiplication easily. Let's see. Suppose minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Count student, how many times negative is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is a even number or odd number? It is a even number. So your result is always come in positive. Be sure that whenever there is odd number, even number of negative terms, then your result will be come in positive. Then what is your result? 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24. And here sign is positive. You do not need to give positive sign. But again we have to take one example. Let's see. If minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Count 1, 2, 3. The number of negative integer is 3. Means it is a odd number. As it is a odd number, so your answer will be come in negative. Let's see. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 5, 60. So your answer will be minus 60. Let us take another idea, student. If minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 dot dot dot, it is given 200 times. Then see student, 200 is a even number or odd number? Now student, it is a even number. So your result will be come in positive. And I multiplied 1. 1 or minus 1, how many time? 1 correct time. If I multiplied 1 into 1 into 1, the result is that 1. But the question is that if it is negative or in a even number or odd number, it is even number. So result will be in positive. Then again, suppose question is given minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, dot dot dot, 301 times. 301 student is a odd number. As it is a odd number, your answer will become negative. And we know that 1 is multiplied 301 times, or maybe 1000 times, or maybe 1 crore, 2 crore times. Answer will be 1. As it is a odd number, odd times minus 1 is multiplied, so your result will be negative. So answer will be minus 1. So student, I hope this class will provide you so much idea, some conceptual idea to solve that how you will solve the multiplication of integers, how you will operate the negative integers on positive integers. Like that, so much thing I think you will got some idea. And next class we will discuss some example and your exercise 1b. Thank you student.